In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide columns in Google Sheets. This is a simple but very useful skill, especially if you want to keep your spreadsheet clean, reduce distractions, or temporarily hide information you don't need to look at right now. Hiding a column does not delete any data, so it's a safe way to organize your sheet while keeping everything available in the background. To get started, go to your Google Sheets and make sure you're on the worksheet where you want to hide a column. Once you have the sheet open, look across the top row where the column letters appear. These letters identify each column, and this is where you'll be working. Next, hover over the top of the column you want to hide. Make sure your cursor is positioned on the column header itself, not inside one of the cells below it. This is important because the options you see will depend on exactly where your mouse is placed. When you're on the correct column heading, you'll be able to access the menu for that column. From there, click on the drop-down arrow for that column. This opens a small menu with different actions you can apply. If you don't immediately see the arrow, move your cursor carefully over the column header area until it appears. Google Sheets can be a little subtle with interface controls, so taking a second here helps. Once the menu is open, click on Hide Column. As soon as you do that, the column will disappear from view. Don't worry if it seems like it's gone completely. The data is still there, and the sheet will usually show a small gap between the surrounding columns to indicate that something is hidden. To unhide the column, look for the small arrows pointing left and right between the visible columns. For example, if you hid column B, you'll find those arrows between columns A and C. Click those arrows, and the hidden column will immediately reappear in its original position. This is a great feature when you want to simplify a busy sheet without removing important information. It can also help when presenting data to others and you only want certain columns visible on screen. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where the column menu and hidden column arrows are, hiding and unhiding columns in Google Sheets becomes quick and easy.